Hello friends, welcome to our channel Prepare for Bank. Friends, I'm excited about today's video that is on topic how does a mock test helps in your exam preparation. So friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the mock test, how it's similar or how it's going to help you with the actual exam, and what all things should be there in an ideal mock test that will be helping you in your complete preparation for any of the bank exam, whether it being IBPS, PO, clerk, RRB, or upcoming SBI's exam as well. So friends, let's get started with today's video. So friend, in this mock tests are designed in a way that it appears the questions number of questions will be similar to the actual exams, and it will be in a time bound fashion, and the complexity, or maybe we can say the variety of questions, the mixtures of the questions with the respective topics are also same as per the actual examination. So many of the students prefer that they should at least be going for one or two mock tests, and then they will be checking the result after giving a mock test, that yes, where their preparation lies. And this mock test, which are designed in the similar fashion of the actual exams, are very helpful in the students exam preparation and giving them the right picture that yes, their progress is on the right path or not. The second thing that is important about the mock test that we have to check is that we should be giving the mock test which are computer based. The mock tests which are available in books or the mobile format, that are not giving the actual picture or the actual way of giving the mock test. It should be computer based as you see in the real examination of IBPS. Being the computer based examination, it gives you the multiple benefits and a complete idea or a preparation in a way that yes, you will be seeing the exam question in a limited window or over the computer screen, and then whatever the numbers or figures or data, important data that you have to collect, you will be putting down it in your paper sheet, and then you will be solving that question. So these are the some of the uncommon mistakes that may lead a wrong answer, that can be avoided and it can be identified quickly, because many a time students have observed this thing, that they see a number and in back of the mind they have some other number, and in the answer sheet they mark down the some other number to solve the question, and that gives us the completely wrong solution. So that's where, like, if you are going to give a mock test, then that mock test should be a computer based, for particularly for the banking examination. Now next is the time bound thing. So time bound is another challenge that every student or every aspirant have to deal with it, that you have to solve these number of questions in a given time frame, and where the time, once the time is ticking, that times it becomes more difficult to concentrate on solving and then on the within the given time frame. And to make it more harder, for the IBPS PO exam there is a sectional timeout. So if you are solving a quantitative aptitude section, then that section is limited for the 20-minute duration. You cannot utilize the 20 minutes or beyond 20 minutes or less than 20 minutes time. If you have saved 20 minutes from the QA section, that you can utilize it in the reasoning section or it in the general awareness section. So this time bound sectional is also a very difficult, or I will say, like, time management. It will give you a trick to manage the time, and that's where, like, the mock test should also have this feature, that it should have the sectional, it should have the question variation, right? Then it should be computer based and it should be the time bound. So this is the whole features of a particular or ideal mock test that every candidate should be looking for before giving for the IBPS actual examination, to get a clear idea about your preparation and where you are lacking or what all things you need to improve it. So this help an ideal candidate to prepare well and to conquer all the challenges that he is facing in giving a computer based time bound exams. Giving mock test over the mobile is of not much helpful, because student may be zooming their screen, or they will be checking their screen, mobile screen timeout happens, and other challenges are also there, that you may get distracted with the notifications that are coming or popping up on their screen. So that's where, like, it's essential that howsoever the exam is designed, that's the way to give it. If IBPS PO or IBPS any exam was designed as in pen and paper, you have to give it as in pen and paper. If it's computer based, you have to practice it with the computer based only. So that's where it will help you to give a complete preparation and complete mind makeup for the examination. So this is how the mock test will be helping you. Now next questions arises where we have to give the mock test. So friends, in this digital era we have lot of forums where you can give the mock test, but apart from this, we as in Prepare for Bank also identified this challenge, and we have also brought up our mock test series, which is particularly designed for the IBPS exams, and a candidate can be benefit out of this mock test and they can give for this mock test. So for this mock test, what the candidate have to do is they have to register, come to the website Prepare for Bank, then they can register it over here by clicking on the mock test button, and this is the mock test that they can look for it. This is more than 60 full length mock tests which are designed similarly on the IBPS exam format or the pattern. And before giving mock test, if you want to try it out, you can give the full length mock test, which is free. And if you want to try out the sectional mock test that are like only quantitative aptitude, English section or the reasoning section, right? So once you click for the register for the mock test, then you will be going for the register section where you will be filling your information, and you will be making a package selection, and then you can register yourself for this Super 30 set series. Once you click on the register, your login is created with the given username and email ID password, and then with this login ID you can log into the portal. And once you log in, the bank practice set for the full length sets are available over there. The complexity wise, the time bound is also increased, so we have easy set, then we have moderate sets, and then we have hard practice set. Apart from this, we have banking awareness practice sets and computer knowledge or the computer awareness practice sets as well. So these are the practice set that we as in Prepare for Bank are offering to you for the best preparation of your banking examinations and moving forward in your career to get a banking job. So friend, apart from this, if you have any questions or any comments, do mention us in the comment section below. We'll get back to you with all the queries solved. And if you like this video, do share with your friends and family members. It will help them in their preparation as well. Thank you friends. Bye.